Okay, so we're back and we're looking for the equation of the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is going to come from here. And we're going to remember that because the vertex is on the axis of symmetry. So it's x equals 1. So it's right here. We'll also remember that because if I take my two x values of 4 plus negative 2 divided by 2, we're going to get 2 over 2, which is 1. So again, that's your axis of symmetry. Another way to do it. And have I done everything yet? Axis of symmetry, sketch the graph. I got to put on my vertex. Where's my vertex? 0, 27. There it is. And we know that it opens down, so here's my graph. And you're going to label the important parts on your graph. So 4, 0, negative 2, 0. This is 0, 24. This is 1, 27, and it's your vertex. And your axis of symmetry needs to be labeled, which is x equals 1. And we've got just about everything there. Now, there's two parts to this question that we need to talk about. It says indicate the intervals on which the function is positive or negative, and indicate the intervals where it's increasing or decreasing. So, to do that, I've kind of run out of room, so I'm going to use another piece of paper. I'm going to do a quick sketch. We're going to have the axis of symmetry. We're going to have the vertex. We're going to go through 0, 24, and we're going to come down to negative 2, 0, and we're going to come down to 4, 0. And I want to draw on this graph so that you can see what's going on. And we're going to draw it looking like that and looking like that. Okay. First thing, indicate the intervals of which the function is positive. Do you all agree with me, at home and in the studio audience, that it is positive? There. Do you all agree with me that this function is positive when it's above the x-axis and negative when it's below the x-axis? Do we agree? I'm looking for heads to nod. Okay. This distance in here, this goes from x equals negative 2, that's the lowest value, and x goes all the way up to and including 4. That's how we talk about all of these values. Now remember, you start from the middle. X is greater than or equal to negative 2, and x is less than or equal to 4. This is called interval notation, and you have to know it. So the function is positive on, we put brace brackets around it to indicate that it's a set, all of the x values greater than negative 2, but less than or equal to 4. That's how we say that. Now, do we all agree that it's negative here, and it's negative here? Looking to my studio audience. So for all values of x greater than 4, my function is negative. Well, that's what I just said. For all values of x greater than 4, it's going to be negative. And over here, for all values of x less than negative 2, it's going to be negative. Do we agree? Now, I want to make something a little bit clearer. Do we really think that this should be less than or equal to and greater than or equal to? Is x really positive right here? Is 0 positive or negative? It depends on your definition, right? 0's neither positive nor negative. Some people consider it to be positive. Let's look at Google. Can someone on your Google, can someone put in the question, is 0 positive or negative? Go. Someone. Hurry up. I'm going to pause the video here.